Hello and welcome guys into my channel. My name is Hassan Biqai and I am an electrical engineer. I'm interested in different topics in electrical engineering such as robotics and coding, programming and computer. So I started a new educational channel called Code Electric. In this channel, I will explain different lectures and I will do some projects. The topics of this channel will focus on the basic circuit elements such as resistor, capacitor, inductor, transistor, and diode. Also, I will do robotics projects via Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and more microcontrollers. Moreover, I will teach you how to code and write different programs using Java, Python, and many other programming languages. To illustrate, I will explain how computer works and the logic and circuits behind the computer functionality. Finally, I will illustrate more about power systems, communication systems, and control systems.